we're going to be making this star called the Triple Ninja Star. So you can also throw it. So you just hold it from here, and then when you throw it, you let go like this, like that. So for the Triple Ninja Star, you're going to need 3 pieces of origami paper. They can be the same color. It's fine. So first, you're going to take your thing and fold it diagonal in half. And I already made 2 of them. So now you're going to fold it diagonally in half again. Other way. Now you're going to take this edge and align it with this edge. Now you're going to take this edge and align it with this edge. Now you're going to take this edge and align it with this edge. Now you're going to take this edge and align it with this edge. Now you're going to unfold everything. Now you're going to fold on this crease. And now fold this edge to there. Now fold this edge to there. Okay, now take a pen or pencil or something. If you want to mark, you can. Now just make a dot like right next to the root and one that's right on top of the crease like this. And here is the real crease line. And I made it a little like that. Now you're going to fold this edge between these 2 dots. And I'm just going to unfold this. And just keep this. Now you're going to take it and wrap it around. Okay, now all you need to do now is take 2 more and make 2 more of these. So now I am going to show you how to interlock them to make this. So step 1, just flip them over. You see there's a pocket here and a thin pocket. So we're going to take one of the things and see the thin pocket. We're going to take this long strap and stick it into this thin. Like this. It's fine if this happens, it's fine. Now you're going to take your last one and just take it, the long edge, into the thin pocket. Okay, now take this piece and bring it over the 3rd piece like this. Take the long piece and tuck it into the thin piece. Okay, here you have finished your star. So now I'm going to show you how to throw it. So hold your any side with your 2 hands like this, and then when you throw it, you just throw it like this, but then like that, and it takes a left. Hope you enjoyed this Ninja Star today. I hope you enjoyed playing with it. Bye.